Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue of on-screen keyboard not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Simply press Windows plus Control plus O to open the on-screen keyboard, or search for on-screen keyboard in the Windows search bar and open the on-screen keyboard. So this is how you can open it. Now, if it doesn't work, then right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates or install on the right pane. Now once this is sorted, once all the updates are done and it still doesn't work, then the last solution will be an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator, type the command SFC space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.